Demo Day is our signature event every quarter. It's an opportunity for hundreds of hiring partners to walk through our campus walls, to see the showcase of all of the portfolio pieces as everybody's come to the end of their 12-week program.
The exciting part for me is being able to kind of meet one-on-one with each one of them and kind of hear what got them interested in the program and what were sort of the challenges and how they solved them through their work.
I was thinking about data science for a long time, but having a master's degree, I didn't want to go back to school. The highlight of the program for me was the people in terms of my classmates, the education team, and the external people that BrainStation brought in. And the key thing is that I was doing a lot of self-learning things before, but what was missing was that interaction that added a lot of value.
The students that I see in BrainStation come from it's a wide variety of backgrounds. I think where that really shines through is seeing the diversity of the types of projects that people are doing.
It's really cool to have this project that I've worked on this whole time, to then see people who are working in the industry and kind of see their perspective on my project and hear the questions that they ask. It makes me think about my own project in a different way and consider points that I maybe wouldn't have thought to consider initially, so that's been really cool.
Candidates that I met that really piqued my curiosity might not have come across the same way on paper. Getting to meet them firsthand in person and really see their work and get them to walk me through it gave me a much better sense of who they were as individuals.
I think it's a great event. I think it gives the students a great opportunity to kind of connect with industry leaders and professionals. I think it gets them a chance to really talk about their work, get feedback. The diversity was really great this year, just kind of seeing the breadth of work and different types of products everyone has a passion in. I think it really energizes everyone that's coming here.
For me, there's kind of no doubt in my mind why I'd want to hire a BrainStation grad. I know how they learn, I know how they think. Basically just coming back, I'm just kind of excited to be here and proud to be an alumni.